Oy vey is mir! Oy vey is mir, you guys! Look at this! Domino's is down bigly! It's down bigly! It's massively getting discombobulated, you guys! It's down bigly! Since I had done my previous video a few moments ago. It's down bigly, you guys! Look at this! It's down so bigly. Look at that. It is down bigly. Remember, as I had said in that previous video, worst case scenario, this hypothetical trend line here, it broke that. It's down bigly. It's down bigly, you guys. It's bigly. Wow, look at this. It's down bigly. It's breaking everything. It's down bigly. 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 It's bigly. So yeah, it's down bigly. It's down bigly since my video 51 minutes ago. It's down bigly. It's bigly. It's bigly. If you recall in Tago's video, he decided to just scalp in and out really quickly and take profit at 404.88. He wanted to keep the video short. And he did all the technical analysis. But as you can see, it's down bigly from the take profit strike point. It's down bigly. But of course, my friends, being that this is my shtiklach, what do we have to do? We have to do the disclaimer, because this is my shtiklach. Disclaimer! This video presentation is for entertainment and education purposes only. It is not investment advice. Consult your licensed, certified financial advisor, financial planner, stockbroker, registered with the FINRA, SEC, and CIVIC for all of your investment and consultation advice. Always remember, past performance is no guarantee of future result, so therefore nothing herein discussed is etched in stone and is subject to change with market forces and volatility. Thank you. Wow, you guys, it's literally close to giving it up. It's literally close to giving it all up. It was up bigly, like around, what, $3 and change? It's down bigly, you guys. It's down bigly. It's discombobulating. Play the clip, Johnny. There you go. Nailed it. Dominos. Nailed it. I nailed it because I got all the correct nailings. Nailed it. Quick in and out scalp. Nailed it. It's continuing to discombobulate as we speak. I don't think it's going to hold that support line. It's going to discombobulate. I think it's discombobulating. So yeah, that's how winners is done. I want to keep this video very short. Right? I don't want to go too long. Like worst case scenario, it might maybe hit this target here. Right? It failed to hold this position. Maybe here would be like a bottom, right? I can kind of find patterns, like if we take our liney thing and we draw a line like right there, and we say, alright, let's use this, let's create this as our hypothetical line, like right there. You can say, well, maybe, alright, that could be the support line right there, maybe. Maybe a fall, find support here, and then bounce back up, right? The hypothetical line of support at the bottom. You know, that could be a possibility, but it is starting to discombobulate. Yeah, so you look at the dome, open this up, see the price action, 404.77, close this. So yeah, that's how winners is done. A possible discombobulation to the downside. Possibly. But anyway, I'm going to keep it short. And yeah, that's how I guess winners is done. Keep stacking. Keep snacking. Keep eating Domino's. Hey, it's your world. Alright, so pause it right here, Johnny. So yeah, back to the live trade. It's discombobulating. It's discombobulating. It's discombobulating. You saw the previous price action in my said video. It's discombobulating, you guys. It's discombobulating. It's breaking everything, you guys. It's breaking everything. It's discombobulating bigly. That's a bigly discombobulated move. That's a bigly discombobulated bigly move. Let's see how far down it went. Alright, so let's draw our hypothetical line. Let's put it right there. Let's see if that hypothetical line works. And, yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's down bigly, you guys. It's down really, really bigly. This is like the worst case scenario. Yeah, it's bigly. It's down bigly, you guys. It's down bigly. So what would be the next possible strike point? What, like here? What, like there? Maybe, perhaps this is like the support. Maybe for like a reversal, a rebound. It's down bigly, you guys. It's down bigly. It's down bigly. Let's see the dome. Where's the dome? Let's see what's going on. It's down bigly. Let's see what the resistance is. What? 402.15. 401.50. It's down bigly. It's down bigly. Yeah, it's really down bigly. Look at this. It's it's literally giving up almost everything. It's only up 31 cents. It's bigly, you guys. It's like really, really bigly. I don't know if that line will hold. I don't know if that line will hold. It's holding the VWAP line right here. There's 3 lines. Top blue, middle white, bottom blue. I don't know if it's going to hold that, you guys. It's down bigly. It's literally almost giving it up everything. It almost gave up everything. Just shy of like a few cents worth. It's down bigly, you guys. It's bigly. But maybe this line will hold. Perhaps, maybe. Like, if not, then you know what I mean. This would be like worst case scenario to the total discombobulation. But yeah, it's down bigly. It broke all levels of Taco's trend lines. It's down bigly, you guys. It's bigly down. It's down bigly. The 5-minute looks horrible. Let's see what the day looks like. Alright, let's see the day. Yeah, the day, yeah. It's giving it up. It gave up a lot. It gave up a lot. Let's see what the candle's high is. What's the high? The high, let's see. 406.31. 406.31 is the high on the day. 406.31. It's down bigly. 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 That's like a bigly deal. That's a bigly move down. It's bigly. Holy crap, it's bigly. Is the Dow Jones collapsing? Oh yeah, the Dow is down bigly. 166.36. Yeah, it's down bigly. Oh, and it just gapped down too. Wow. It just gapped down right there. It's literally right there at gapped down. Right there at the blue VWAP line. Yeah, it's bigly. It's bigly. That's a bigly move. That's horribly bigly. Wow, right there. Literally right there at the support line. Literally right there. And it's down bigly. It's down bigly. This would have been a nice, in my opinion, like a massively down short bigly position. That's bigly. I mean, I cut it off at 404.88 because I wanted to keep the video short. You know what I mean? But yeah, it's down bigly. It's bigly. It is bigly. Look at this. It's almost giving it up everything. Almost giving up everything. Look at this. It's only 4 cents. 4 cents down, it would be like a total wipeout from the candle's high. Look at this. It's so bigly. It's so bigly. It is so bigly. Wow, look at this. It's so bigly. But it's trying to hold that VWAP. Trying to hold the VWAP. Trying to hold the VWAP. But it's down bigly. Yeah, it's bigly. Still holding that VWAP. Still holding that VWAP. Still holding that VWAP. In that support line. Is it going to bounce back? Well, the Dow is down bigly. It's down bigly. It's bigly. When I mean bigly, I mean bigly. Even DoorDash gave up a lot of its gains. It's only up 2 cents. At one point, I think it was up $1 and change, almost $2 or something. And even that's down bigly. Wow. The Dow is bigly. 161.10. Yeah, it's bigly, baby. Look at this. We're just 2 cents away. 2 pennies away from being down bigly. Hopefully it'll get triggered so that way I can wrap it up. Because I don't want to waste too much time and I don't want... There you go. It's unchanged. Domino's is unchanged on the day. It gave up literally everything. It's at 0. It's discombobulating. Gave up the high.